Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to increase the touch sensitivity of your Samsung Galaxy phones. So for this guys, you don't need to download any extra third-party application. So there is one inbuilt setting, just you need to enable that settings. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open your phone settings. In the phone settings, go to display option like this, and in the display option slightly scroll down. Here you can get the option touch sensitivity. As you can see guys, just you need to enable this option. So here you can get some information: increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. If you have installed the screen protector on your Samsung phones, at that time guys, the touch sensitivity will not work properly. At that time guys, you need to enable this option. After enabling this option, your touch will work very fine and very good. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.